Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Komal, Madhulika, and Mohita for joining in. And thank you, Mohita, for reminding us that today is World's International or whatever Books Day. and
World Book Day.
World Book Day. It's not international, very sad. Let's make it an international thing.
So World
It's
Book
sad.
Day, and it's a big deal. Uh, it's a big deal. So everybody, in fact, can you, afterwards share their books, what they are up to.
All
Mhm.
right. Acha, वैसे, by the way, apart from reading with me, are you all reading some other books as well? If yes, please
At
share what
times,
book
yeah,
are you reading.
we are reading. I am at times like scrolling through other books. Like it's not from start to end, but sometimes I open the books which are around me.
Just to
So
take the message.
my cousin brought a book gifted to her by a college professors or someone around, and that book name was I Can. Book name is I Can, and she's happy about it because we were discussing the same topic related to these things only. So she was like, Didi, see what I got and how it is a miracle thing that I got this, because they were like, where to give this book? Hey, this girl is sitting, give to her just randomly. So it
Wow,
was then she's reading that one and The Secret and all those, whichever resonates with her.
wonderful. How about you, Mohita? Are you reading some book?
Hi. Yes, I am. I'm in the habit of having at least three books around,
Wow.
as per the mood. So, like, there could be one small one, like a booklet,
Wow,
which
this
is
is
Never Stop
sweet.
Dreaming.
Never stop.
Then there is a bigger one, Gentleman in Moscow. Then there is Murakami's Wonderland. Then there is my all-time classic. I might have read it infinite times, Alice Through the Looking Glass.
Wow. Wonderful. Wow. I love that. How about you, Madhulika? Are you reading some other book other than what you're reading with us?
I'm not very a regular reader with you.
Yeah.
So whenever I get the opportunity and I don't have my other sessions, I'm trying to inline all those sessions. But evening sessions, I'm not able to inline till now. I mean, 10 p.m. is quite because at that time, in Australia, it's like peak evening time when kids want to have classes. So for that time, it is very difficult for me to hop in. But yes, I just started this. I was thinking it will be a very easy and smooth going book, but it is very difficult. I'm finding it very difficult. It is the Gita Companion. Mm, it's a very small book, and it's hardcover. It's I mean, binded like this, spiral binding and hardcover. But I thought it would be easy, but it is it's a difficult book.
All right. I got a book from somewhere. I don't know where did I actually got it in my book rack. That is Gita for the young kids. It is so simple. It is so beautifully written. I was like, "Arey wah!" I always wanted to read Gita, but I never touched it because इतनी मोटी book और इतना सब कुछ कौन
For the
पढ़ेगा?
small
Oh God!
kids.
I think it's written
And
by Rupa Pai.
I think yes.
It's I think it's published by Hachette
Oh, I didn't
and
look at.
written by Rupa Pai.
And it is so beautiful. It's like, अरे वाह! बड़ा simplified हो गया. And then I was like, बच्चे तो पढ़े नहीं पढ़े, but it is good for me because I wanted to read Gita, and now I can read it through that book. So that is one book that is on my side table. And I also have three books lined up here. Actually, fourth वाली तो खत्म हो गई है, but look at this. तो कुछ ना कुछ तो आसपास रहता ही है. Books have become my beautiful companions of all times. All right. On
True.
that note, let's
And
start.
then, folks, just once I would like Karishma to tell people that here's a Hindi book, Kaun Desh Ka Vasi. This is this year's special samman to this book by the government. So I bought it. It's thick, fat. It looks heavy, but I thought slowly I'll build up a practice.
Hmm.
What this is about? Comment.
ये इसका नाम है कौन देश का वासी एंड इट्स रिटन बाय सूर्यबाला। इस साल का जो विशेष सम्मान मिलता है किताब को,
Right.
वो इस साल इसको मिला है, इस वाली बुक को।
Wow. Okay.
So I forget the actual name of the samman given by the government, but it occupied major newspapers headlines when it was given.
And what is this book talks about? What is the theme of this book?
So it's upon NRIs.
Okay.
So like when they go abroad, like, NRIs means, of course, non-residential. And then slowly they are in a disconnect and they cannot acclimatize back. And how they start having a disconnect and what all problems they face in acknowledging the new face of their own country.
Wow, nice, nice, nice. Hello, Renu. Hello, Coach Radiant Renu. How are you?
Hi, see, I'm going to introduce my partner, my daughter Priya Lalwani,
Hello.
which I told you, no, I'm working with in a magazine, Move India magazine,
Ha.
and she gave me award also.
Wow, congratulations. The award that you were showing us.
Yes, yes.
the other day.
To you, I was showing it to you, and she is at so much young age, and she has reached to some heights and going to grow more. And she's also a lover of book reading club.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow,
I do have more than
wonderful.
She is, but I'll tell her, I will add her into this. But wanted to you all to meet her. She's
Ah.
an inspiration.
no,
At 50, at 52,
And 25.
I am 27, 28.
नहीं,
तो
आप
नहीं लगती ना.
turning numbers around.
Yeah, exactly.
Congratulations. So good to see a motivated person out here, and especially a mother-daughter duo. Nice.
Thank you so much.
She's just someone who's
Congratulations,
pushing me
Renu.
to do all these things. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been possible.
No, she has come to that level. I want her inspiration and her encouragement in my life to do something better in life, other than what I'm doing, what I used to do in life. So she's my inspiration.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. All right.
Chalo.
Let's
I'll just listen and unable to speak. थोड़ी देर में I'll be back. ठीक है?
take it. All right. Let's start reading the chapter without more delay. We're already at 2:19. And yesterday only in the night session, I was talking about, how we keep on delaying, waiting for people. But आज तो गप्पे शप्पे मार रहे थे, but it's okay. It is okay sometimes to, know each other better. But from the upcoming week, I plan to start sharp at the time, whatever is, said. That is 2 p.m. as well as the 10 p.m. that way. All right. Okay. How many of you remember what we read yesterday? Komal, were you there in the session yesterday?
Yes, I was, but I don't
In one sentence,
remember.
can you sum
We
up
talked
yesterday's session?
consistency. I think we talked about consistency.
It was about belief system also.
Yes.
That decision making, decisions help us.
Wonderful.
Consistency, and before that you have to decide. So we were talking about decisions also, we were talking about belief system also, and there were some words related to consistency. Yeah,
I love that.
I'll just sum
देखा
up like this.
अभी level up हो रहे हैं हम. We are leveling up. We are leveling up in the terms कि भैया कल जो पढ़ा था वो आज पता तो हो. So that कल की जगह कल पे नहीं छूट जाना है. We have to move forward with taking along what we have read yesterday. This beautiful line that I can see is highlighted. वहां से start करते हैं.
Yeah, it was a lot about commitment also, na? Vashini, and you were discussing a lot about commitment. And she was asking why we are talking, why we have to make a belief that consistency is important. Because I know what she's teaching in her workshops, because she's also a mentor.
All
So
right.
she takes that don't form any belief system. She
Hmm.
loves to teach that do not form any belief system, so that because if you will say, oh, because I'm not consistent, that's why I'm like this. She believes in something different. That's why she was debating a lot with you.
That's
Um,
absolutely fine. I was having fun with it. I
yeah.
absolutely loved and enjoyed that discussion.
Yeah,
Reason,
yeah, definitely. Because there are always perspectives. She wanted to know, because if she just wants, there should be no hindrance in her mind that why we have to form only consistency or something. She tries to just break all the, not to form. So she
hmm,
has just given some simple that whatever I do, negative, positive, everything is creating miracles in her life. So she is going that way. So that's why she was saying, I don't want even to form that consistency or anything is only the key to success. Maybe because of that, but definitely consistency helps. And she was really happy in yesterday's session. You saw her writing lot bigger testimonial and everything. Yeah.
all right. If you don't set a baseline standard for what you will accept in your life, you will find it's easy to slip into behaviors and attitudes or a quality of life that's far below what you deserve. You need to set and live by these standards no matter what happens in your life. Even if it all goes wrong, even if it rains on your parade, even if the stock market crashes, even if your lover leaves you, even if no one gives you the support that you need, you still must stay committed to your decisions that you will live your life at the highest level. When we talk about this, मैंने बहुत बार अपने सेशंस में और थ्रू दिस बुक रीडिंग सेशंस आई हैव शेयर्ड विद यू व्हाट आई से इज व्हाट आई डू. That is the level of commitment you have to show up every single day if you want to raise the standards of your living. मैं जो बोल देती हूँ मैं वही करती हूँ. My word is my law. And else अगर नहीं कर सकती हूँ तो मैं बोलूंगी ही नहीं अपने मुंह से. And when you commit to yourself so strongly, then only you can come to a stage wherein you will not let anybody go below a standard baseline as to how they treat you.
This
Now,
line is very little difficult for us to implement in the way he's saying, and it's not easy. That whatever happens,
Komal, what happens is when you treat yourself well, you are training people how to treat you.
what about he's saying lover leaves you, and he's also saying no one gives you the support you need. So that doesn't leave us lonely in the end. If we are only chasing our dreams, that thing is I'm just wondering about. He's just giving examples, but what if in real life someone have to balance? So we cannot. This is my standard. If people around are not like that, so here I'll just think about a lot only.
You attract the people in your life, and the level you are at is the only kind of level that people are going to come in your life.
Then why he needs to, if that is the scene, then he'll not need to write that lover leaves you, or if we are attracting, suppose that line will be contradictory then. If you think, see, the line is like you are chasing your dreams. Sometimes like Modi, Narendra Modi, he also had to chase his dreams, and he's not living with his wife. You can even see the example we have in front of us. So sometimes people do that. Many people do not marry, right? So we have those examples in front. Eh, I'm not saying with along with marriage we cannot do, but it's like sometimes we cannot say we attracted. That is a
Hello.
path.
Hello.
Maybe that was your path written. Yeah.
So always
So
attract.
so we can always learn from what Karishma does, balancing the two. Yeah.
You
I've learned that you learn to balance.
जरूरी तो नहीं है what I implement is applicable in your life. It is not important that if I'm trying to do something, it turns out to be positive only for me at all times. So you have to vibrate at a certain level that everybody around you also gets to know कि भैया इससे कम की बात ना, इसके साथ नहीं करनी है.
Yeah, and author is just trying to say that if sometimes we are having difficulties, that sometimes for some people, not me, some other people or anyone, suppose they see that are this situations of family or anything, my level is this, and
I'm not talking about ego. You're getting into the ego.
Recording in progress.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
hi Karishma, you are audible.
Why can't I see myself? Can you guys see me? Oh, my Zoom
Yes,
is
we
not
can see you.
responding.
Yes, we can see you.
You are there
But
now.
my Zoom is not responding.
Um,
Anyway, if
We can see you and hear you.
all right, great. So, where you were, Komal, I want to tell you that we are not going to operate from the space of ego. We are going to operate from the space of love, yet we are going to set boundaries for ourselves. Okay? All right. Unfortunately, most people never do this because they are too busy making excuses. The reason they haven't achieved their goals or are not living the lives they desire is because the way their parents treated them, or because of the lack of opportunities that they experienced in their youth, or because of the education they missed, or because they were too old, or because they were too young. All of these are excuses, are nothing but belief systems, not bullshit. And they are not only limiting, they are actually destructive as well. We know this, right? अभी मैं 42 के ऊपर स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ या रेनू 51 पे स्टार्ट कर रही है या मधुलिका कितनी एज पे स्टार्ट कर रही है डज नॉट मैटर एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर had I been cribbing and crying about I got married early because of which I did not complete my education because of which da 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 do you think I would be sitting here doing this? No. We have to break our limiting beliefs because we in fact whenever we say something that goes against the speed at which we can reach our goal, understand that that is the actual limiting belief. You do not set any goals that is not possible for you. आपको कोई ना कोई बस एक बहाना मिल जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ विच यू से कि चलना अभी कंफर्ट जोन में आई एम बेटर ऑफ.
when we try to grow ourselves, or when we do these things, sometimes we are fighting against the system which was already prevalent. So definitely relationships can get little tougher. So yeah, we have to accept that and keep moving, I feel. That is what we cannot make excuses. And we have to see, and then we also know People will support us, and we also know people many times they write, na, then they come to know who are our real friends and who are just acting like that.
Universe will challenge you at all times. You are the one who needs to tell everybody around you and the universe itself that you are committed, you want to do it, and you will make it happen.
Right. Yeah.
Hanji Madhulika, let's hear it from you.
Yeah, definitely. I'll second your thought, Rishma, over here that yes. And there is a perspective also that matters, that how do you look up to the situation, whether it is a challenge or it is an obstacle for you. So the author, when he's saying particularly whether your loved lover leaves you, he want to see the extreme of the negative thing can happen. How many times in life lovers leaves home, will tell me? Once or twice maximum. I mean, only once, maybe. A person can have this experience only once or maybe twice. The point over here is come what may. I mean, like tidbits, छोटी छोटी चीजें, ये वो, आज उसने बोल दिया, आज ये हो गया, आज आज बारिश आ गई, आज धूप निकल गई. I mean, something will definitely come our way. But yes, the consistency is very important. So over here, the author is showing us the extreme what can be happening.
और एक और बात ऐड करना चाहती हूँ इसके ऊपर मधुलिका के साथ ही, कि we need to be confident enough in our own being. No matter what happens, I can face it. Universe wants to show it to us. Universe wants to for us to learn, right? And हमारे को इनफैक्ट क्यों डरना है? क्यों?
Every obstacle is an opportunity
I
hidden in.
think मुझको तो ये लगता है कि जिस चीज का सबसे ज्यादा fear होगा, that is going to definitely happen in your life.
Yeah, I feel so. Definitely.
So
If we are
don't have
fearing,
fear of anything.
this is true. Sometimes we may just fear it and we may attract it. Fearing is equal to attracting it. So, and you also yesterday, Brock, this already you gave how we can implement by your own story. The same story is coming again in these sentences. That even if relationship things are there, how we can that time just have some patience level and calm down, and later all those things will be solved, or we can just hope for them to be solved. By your example, we know already. So yeah, we can move ahead, I guess.
Wonderful, wonderful. Using the power of decision gives you the capacity to get past any excuse to change any and every plan of your life in an instant. If it can change your relationships, your work environment, your level of physical fitness, your mind, whether you are happy or sad, whether you are frustrated or excited, enslaved by circumstances or expressing your freedom. It's the source of change within an individual, a family, a community, a society, or a world. Just a minute. What's changed everything in Eastern Europe in the last few years? The people there, people like you and me, have made new decisions about what they will stand for, what's acceptable and unacceptable to them, and what they will no longer tolerate. Certainly, Gorbachev's decision helped pave the way, but Lech Walsa's determination and commitment to a higher standard built the road of massive economic and political change. I don't know about these people, but I want to say कि जिस दिन आपने डिसाइड किया था कि नहीं यार, खाली नहीं बैठना घर में, कुछ तो करना है, उस दिन आप शुरू हुए थे कि नहीं हुए थे? The day you decided that I am no longer going to tolerate this kind of attitude at my in-laws, you decided to move out of your house or not. The day you decided I'm done with whatever is happening, everything shifted in your life. And you're living it right now. I often ask people who complained about their jobs, why did you go to work today? Their answer usually is because I had to. You and I need to remember one thing. There is virtually nothing that we have to do in this country. You certainly don't have to go to work, not here. And you certainly don't have to work at a particular location on a particular day, not in America. You don't have to do what you have done for the last 10 years. You can decide to do something else, something new today. Right now, you can make a decision. Go back to school, to master dance or singing, to take control of your finances, to learn to fly a helicopter, to turn your body into an inspiration, to begin meditating, to enroll in ballroom dancing, to attend a NASA space camp, to learn to speak French, to read. हाँ, आगे चलेगा. Oh, oh. To learn to speak French, to read more to your children, to spend more time in the flower garden, even to fly to Fiji and live on an island. If you truly decide to, you can do almost anything. So if you don't like the current relationship you are in, make the decision now to change it. If you don't like your current job, change it. If you don't like the way you feel about yourself, change it. If it's higher level of physical vitality and health you want, you can change it now. In a moment, you can seize the same power that has shaped history. How many of you have, heard me asking this question from each one of you in my one-on-ones? What is keeping you where you are right now? What is it serving? If you have a relationship issue, I must have asked you, what is it serving because of which you are in this relationship? There is never something that is being fulfilled in your life because of which you are staying there, or you want to go back there. We have a choice. We always have a choice, but we are scared of taking that decision in our life. Wherever you're feeling the pain, there is nothing out of any of these spaces, be it relationships, be it your health, be it your finances, be it you, that cannot change. Everything is in your control. There are only few things that are not in your control, that is about others. But about yourself, you have control over it. And you can make a decision. One decision will change your life forever. Now, आपको वो decision लेना है कि मुझको one day I decided कि नहीं, book reading club होना है तो होना है. Did it change my life? Massively.
Krishna ji, can I add one point?
Yes, please. Hi, Ravi sir. Thank you for joining in.
Hi, Hello ji, thank you so much. So regarding decisions, we fear that we have to take very big decisions, and that's why we procrastinate to continue to take it. कि हमें बड़ा डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा, इसलिए उसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत बड़ा होगा, इसलिए हम लेते ही नहीं है, उसको प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करके छोड़ देते हैं. Why cannot you change the decision into smaller, like cut the decision into smaller parts and take the decision small decision. अगर आपको वॉक पे जाना है, instead of taking a 5 kilometer walk, take a 500 meter walk. Start going daily by 500, 600 meter, 1 kilometer, then gradually increase. Why to target the bigger goal? Target small goals and then it will automatically get achieved.
Oh, that is a beautiful share. And actually, I also say this. And to be honest, जहाँ health का goal आता है ना, health is my least priority. And how do I do it? आज 500 steps जरूर चलने हैं. आज 1000 steps जरूर चलने हैं. Now I am on 5000 steps. I am going to walk 5000. I commit to it. In one of the Vikas's group, I say, From now onwards, I'm going to walk for 4,500 steps. Now I will walk 500 steps, 5,000 steps. That is how I keep on increasing that.
I have created a group specifically for this only, where we share our morning rituals to motivate, inspire each other, and like how many step count we have taken for the whole day for the morning ritual. Are we doing the meditation? Are we taking the water? Are we taking the right routine breakfast? Because many people skip breakfast also. So we are sharing our best morning rituals on a daily basis. There are around 55 members already there in the group.
Oh,
Thank you.
that's a beautiful initiative. Madhulika, do you want to share anything?
No.
Acha. All right. Anybody else wants to share anything? Mohita, do you want to share anything?
Thanks, Karishma. Not as yet. I thought Ravi put it across beautifully.
Beautifully. Yes, of course. Thank you. Coach Radiant Renu, do you want to share anything?
No, no, not right now. Thank you.
Are you going to take some decisions? Is my question. Chota.
Yes, doing daily.
Beautiful.
Though I had some meeting and someone was there, I completed and when I joined 10 to 15 minutes late, but I was there today.
एक बात बताऊं?
जी.
Coming into this session is also a decision that you made.
Yeah. Thank you for this.
are-
Thanks to you and all in the group. Thank you.
We are making decisions every single day, all the time. But whether it is in our favor or not is something that you have to reflect on. I see a new member here as well, Ray New. Would you like to add something to our discussion? First of all, thank you for joining in.
Yeah, thank you, Karishma. Actually, I'm just back and I saw your message. I too run a book reading club of my own for 3 years now. So, you resonate with something which is happening similar. So, I just wanted to join and feel a part of it. So, thank you for doing this and you're changing lives. Wonderful. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. I have written this book to challenge you to awaken the giant power of decision and to claim the birthright of unlimited power, radiant vitality, and joyous passion that is yours. You must know that you can make new decisions right now that will immediately change your life. A decision about a habit you will change, or a skill that you will master, or how you will treat people, or a call that you will now make to someone you haven't spoken to in years. Maybe there is someone you should contact to take your career to next level. Maybe you could make a decision right now to enjoy and cultivate the most positive emotions that you deserve to experience daily. Is it possible you might choose more joy or more fun or more confidence or more peace of mind? Even before you turn the page, you can make use of the power that already resides within you. Make the decision now that can send you in a new, positive, and a powerful direction for growth and happiness. Nothing can resist the human will that will stake even its existence on its state purpose. Nothing can resist the human will that will stake even its existence on its stated purpose. Your life changes the moment you make a new, congruent, and committed decisions. Who would have thought that the determination and conviction of a quiet, unassuming man, a lawyer by trade and pacifist by principle, would have the power to topple a vast empire? Yet, Mahatma Gandhi's indomitable decision to rid India of British rule was a virtual power keg that set in motion a chain of events that would forever change the balance of the world power. People didn't see how he could accomplish his aims, but he would left himself no other choice than to act according to his conscience. He simply wouldn't accept any other possibility. अगर मुझको बुक रीडिंग क्लब होस्ट करना है, do I see any other possibility at 2 p.m.? 1:45, I am seated on this table, no matter what happens in my life. Unless and until, of course, I'm at the bank. If you make a decision, stay committed to it. Decision was the source of John F. Kennedy's power as he faced off Nikita Khrushchev during the tense Cuban Missile Crisis and averted World War III. Decision was the source of Martin Luther King Jr.'s power as he gave voice so eloquently to the frustrations and aspirations of the people who would longer to be denied and forced the world to take notice. Decision was the source of Donald Trump's meteoric rise to the top of the financial world and also the source of his devastating downfall. It's the power that allowed Pete Rose to maximize his physical abilities to Hall of Fame potential and then ultimately to destroy his live streams. Decisions act as the source of both problems and incredible joy and opportunities. This is the power that sparks the process of turning the invisible into the visible. True decisions are the catalyst for turning our dream into reality. That is where we stop here for today. Anybody wants to share anything? Or you have any questions or any objectives that you would like to share with? Madhulika, let's start from you.
Thanks, Karishma. Of course, yes, decisions play a big role, whatever we are today. Be the uh, matter of couple of weeks or maybe a few months, but definitely you're going to reach your goal. So yes, stick to your goals, take decisions, and definitely you will achieve whatever you want to achieve.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing that. I think I missed some part of it because of my internet connection, but I hope you all were able to hear what Madhulika had to share. Yeah, wonderful. All right, let's go to Ravi sir.
Okay, so I just wanted to share one thing regarding overall, either it is decision or either it is procrastination, either it is anything, the thing which we want to take action, but we are procrastinating to complete that file, that project, that meeting, that household work, anything. Can we break down those tasks into the smaller chunks? And just let's start के mind को हमारे को we need to say okay, it takes 2 hours, let's put it for 5 minutes, let's keep it for 10 minutes. For 2 hours we have to complete in 3 days, let's keep it for 30 minutes today and then 30 minutes tomorrow and 1 hour 3 day. Once you start the thing na, वो जो 5 सेकंड का रूल है, 5 सेकंड 15 सेकंड का रूल है, आपका वो स्टार्ट करने में ही आपका वो 30 मिनट का 1 आवर हो जाएगा और आप 50% काम कंप्लीट भी कर दोगे और आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
Very true. Very true. That's a
Just
very
need to
beautiful insight.
take a start. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Yes.
Anyone facing any challenge regarding the start with any specific example, if anyone want to share?
Yeah, my issue or thing which I'm facing from some days I've seen, I made a routine, what we call timetable, schedule, or for myself, like on 11th of April. Totally, I made it very nicely. Now, the thing to implement it, this time Komal is doing this moment I'm doing this. But then I saw today, where is the time going? Then it was screen time. Screen time in that is my cell phone. That is taking my huge WhatsApp is taking my 4 hours or 3 hours or 1 hour, whatever. I am guilty of saying 4 hours. So definitely, maybe I'm decreasing it. So how to because these groups which are there, these are obviously of personal development thing. I do not know that what I have been doing in those, somewhere testimonial I'm writing, somewhere responding to my teachers, somewhere I'm doing this. So we don't know where is the time going, and that is how sometimes we get in that loop. So I was just thinking, or maybe it is related. So one small decision, what I can do, I want to ask over there. So is it just put it away? It's not easy to say just put it away, because I also have been saying to my father that put it away. It doesn't work that way. Now it is me. So yeah, how can we?
You need to identify your higher purpose. If wasting time on WhatsApp is fulfilling you, then keep on doing it. If saving time on WhatsApp is fulfilling you, then you will start doing it.
See,
You have to identify your priorities. If the don't do time management, go for priority management, and don't go for goal setting, go for intention setting. Before the sleep, before sleeping in the night, just identify that top one task which you want to complete the next day. Just one task. Don't overwhelm yourself.
yeah, because
आप टू
in
डू
my
लिस्ट मत
routine, I have.
बनाइए, नॉट टू डू लिस्ट बनाइए. डोंट मेक टू डू लिस्ट.
Okay.
डोंट मेक टू डू लिस्ट. मेक नॉट टू डू लिस्ट, कि मेरे को ये काम नहीं करना है.
Okay. Yeah, maybe
एंड
because
जस्ट वन टास्क.
I read ADHD people also have this issue. Today, some video came up. So I was asking my teacher, do I have this? So because they say they feel overwhelmed. They'll make a list and then they'll be like, I can do only one or two. I don't know what it was going like, because I made 15 days ago and must be, I'm regular in these sessions. So maybe,
Can I share one more thing? Can I share one more thing?
yeah,
Just identify your life into 4 categories: personal, professional, financial, emotional.
right.
Personal, professional, financial, emotional, and create 3 goals for each category.
True.
12 goals will be there. Okay. Now rank these 12 goals in a certain way that each goal can be completed in 1 week. 12 week cycle, 3 month cycle. Create at least 3 to 4 cycles of these things and measure the progress with each goal. So suppose you need to reduce the weight by 2 kilograms for the first cycle. You will automatically reduce by 4 kgs in the first cycle. And when you start to measure for the second cycle, na, you will be able to understand, oh my god, मैंने इतना achieve कर लिया. Real success, real transformation will happen in the second cycle.
Yeah. So all the goals which we make, like 3 personal, 3 emotional, 3 relation, 3 for career. So
Personal, professional, financial, and emotional.
okay.
3 goals, 12 goals total, and rank them number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 in the priority order.
Right.
सो
So I was
अगर आपका पर्सनल का गोल नंबर 1 पर आ रहा है तो आप पहले उसी को कंप्लीट करिए. अगर प्रोफेशनल का रहा है कि सपोज आई वांट टू चेंज द जॉब और आई वांट टू अपडेट माय सीवी और आई वांट टू स्टार्ट दिस थिंग, देन आप स्टार्ट उस पे काम करिए. whatever the number one goal is coming, start working on it.
okay, I understood. So 12 goals are there. We'll not see, we have to complete all of physical. We'll see which one is first one out of all 12. Then
Yes.
we'll check the second one, then third one, and fourth one. Okay,
Yes.
even if, yeah. Professional.
Even if this 3 month cycle takes to complete 6 months, मुझे पता है, I know that we will procrastinate, we will not be able to complete all the 12 goals in 12 weeks. We will procrastinate to 24 weeks. 6 months में भी अगर हम complete करते हैं, it will be a remarkable transformation. This is my own personal experience.
Yeah, definitely.
And
First
this
time.
is from Tony Robbins only.
Yeah, I heard this first time, definitely. Yeah, this is a new perspective. Thank you.
So Tony Robbins has asked us to create 4 categories, but ये goal setting and weekly goal and ranking them is my own modification little bit, where I created my planner 1 year back, and now I'm religiously following for that planning from last 1 year, and it has literally transformed my life. And just to add, अभी बात चली रही है, तो I had already completed the life transformation certificate coaching program from Tony Robbins.
Okay, wonderful.
What a good day to have you here, Ravi.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the insights that you have shared. All right, let's hear it from Madhulika. Yes, Madhulika.
Just a quick share. Yeah, Raviji, it was great insights. Thanks for sharing, and heartiest congratulations. May God give you the best of the journey ahead and a lot of success. So coming back to you, Komal, if there are tools, you can use them to restrict your WhatsApp time, your screen time. They will show you half an hour left. If you restrict your screen time for 2 hours for the entire day, they'll show you, okay, 15 minutes left, then 5 minutes left.
You know, these things do not work with me because I break those triggers.
Yeah.
Like it
So
comes and I'll stop it and change it. So I have tried all those things sometimes. It's not, I'm not too addicted, but I'm not able to assess that. Am I addicted or not to this thing? But today only I noted that,
yeah,
okay, see for the week, how much hours gone. But because
how
for
much?
everyone it's going, for so many people, it's not only me, because I know if you all check your settings well-being, not for these like people who are aware, but for general public, I'm saying many people are using their cell phones for so much of hours. Like they do not even know, if they check their settings and then they check their digital well-being, then they will get to know how much hours they are spending. So it's a huge number, students or college goers or many people around, like my cousin, those, even if they have their degrees going on still, they'll be, if we check, it will be there.
So
So
Komal,
yeah.
if you are checking, that means you have an insight and you want to work on that. So you are on the right place and right track, first of all. If you are checking it and you know it, that what you have to do. It is just
भाई तो नहीं दिमाग खराब करा है
Task for the day. Even month.
I think, yeah, now I'll try this, because that strategy, writing so many, works for some days, but then I'll go like, okay, live your life freely. Then I'm like freebie, going anywhere, wherever anyone invites me or something, like mom is going, okay, come along, live free. Then now again, it's coming to do. So this would be the good idea to do 2 or 3 tasks per day, if required. And yeah, sometimes give yourself time to just be the way you are. Thank you. It was a
So what
really
I do is, Komal, that I circle the most important 3 tasks what I have to do on that particular day. And that too, I will mark which is the most important first one, priority wise, second one, third one. If I'm able to accomplish that task in that on that particular day, it's okay. Otherwise, I'll write whatever is left on as the first task for the next day, as this will be my first priority. And then I'll choose the next two. what I mean, it's not that I'll feel it's just for, so that I don't feel pressurized that I should not start beating up myself. वो मैंने किया नहीं, मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. So that way, और ये भी नहीं कि मेरा टास्क छूट गया. So I just carry it forward. जैसे लेजर होता है, just take it forward, balance पिछले दिन का, and then that is what I prefer. I have इसके बिल्कुल पीछे एक पिन बोर्ड लगा हुआ है जिसपे ये सब कुछ ऐसे लिख के रखा रहता है. एंड I daily pin one thought for the day. Daily one thought for the day. Like I lived by that principle. Don't complain, condemn, and you know. So I lived by that principle for 1 month. That for 1 month daily, एक दिन करके, okay, fine. मेरे को नहीं I will not criticize, complain, or condemn. So that gives me so much of this thing, peace. I was at peace by just simply following one principle in my life, that I will not condemn, not complain, and not criticize anyone. I felt good. I used it fast for the first day. If you allow me, wait, let me show you if you can see my pin board over there. If it
It's
is
blurred.
visible,
Blurred
it's
है.
blurred. Yeah. So that way I see from the distance. I think छोटा छोटा आपको कुछ दिखाई देगा. ये कुछ कुछ लगे हुए हैं.
इसका
ये
link
जैसे
हटा
रेड
दो ना.
कलर का लगा हुआ है, नोट लगा रखा है मैंने इस पे लिख के. So I'll change the settings and I'll
Yeah.
show you that how I manage. और वहां पे I live by that principle. The first principle is don't criticize, condemn, or complain. The second principle is become genuinely interested in other people. Genuinely interested. So,
That's
and
Happy sharings. Yeah, it was great.
all right. मधुलिका, अपनी सेटिंग चेंज करके हमारे को अपना पिन कोड दिखाओ. And till then, I would love to hear from Mohita as well.
Hey, folks, and thanks, Karishma, for this very insightful session. And what Ravi talked about is eat the elephant, where
Yes.
you break it into small chunks and then digest it. What right now, who talked? Madhulika talked?
Madhulika.
Yeah, right. She talked about task management rather than time management, right? And what works for me, which helps in no procrastination, is eat the frog first. So the one challenging task, the one daunting task, the one thing which you keep putting off, that you do first, and then you move on. So, well, for me, that works, taking decisions and eat the frog first. So different strokes for different folks, that works for me.
Beautiful. Thank you for that insight, Mohita. Um, you were joining this session for the first time. How was your experience?
It was. Good, a different format. I mean, I have been in-person book reading clubs because I have also written a book on communication. It's called 15 Mantras for Effective Communication. So I have been constantly in book clubs, and this one is different because it's targeted. It's like a sweet spot between coaching and book reading and motivation. So it's like an ikigai. So I truly liked it, Karishma. Thanks for bringing this platform up. It's very boostful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It means a lot. And thank you for, creating some space in your schedule to be here.
Welcome. Liked it. So thank you, everyone. Thanks, Karishma. Take care.
Thank
Bye.
you so much. Coach Radiant Renu, do you
Thank
want to
you.
share
It
something
was
before we wrap up
lovely
this
meeting
session?
you.
I will share it with my notes.
Hi. This is
I
the,
don't want to speak.
you know,
Actually,
Renu
I
and
love to
Ranu-
write. I love to write. I have taken
Karishma,
all
so
the insights from Komal, Madhulika, Mohita, Raviji, everyone. I
so
have jotted down and I'll share it. I don't want to speak.
नहीं, this habit is also really good
बोल
if
बहुत
she's
दिया,
trying
अब
to
करना
write.
है.
But when you
बहुत
speak,
अच्छा है.
Renu,
नहीं, it's
when you
okay.
speak, you open lots of portals inside of you.
But with my
आप
personal
conclude कर दो.
experience, with my
रेनू आप
personal
conclude
experience,
कर दो थोड़ा सा.
एक मिनट, but
Conclude कर दो
when
ना जो अभिजीत को.
my personal experience, Karishma, what happens, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि I have used my mouth a lot in my life. Now I want to stay grounded in my life by keeping silence
करिश्मा,
and let my work
करिश्मा,
and let my written things should see what I'm doing and what I'm absorbing and what I'm implementing. That's it.
you know, Karishma or Renu, this thing is happening with my mother also. Maybe this is some energies going on because she is taking medicine for not overwhelming thing. Strange. She doesn't want to speak, like Renu is saying. Mom also, when I go to her, Mama, this thing happened
No,
in
I
Karishma's
speak a
class.
lot. I speak.
No, she also speaks a lot. Same thing. She speaks a
Renu,
lot, but she doesn't want to speak now.
what I wanted
Same. She speaks a lot. अब उनको चुप करने का मन कर रहा है. मैं भी यही बोल रही हूँ कि वो बोलते बहुत हैं, उन्हें ऐसे होता है. अब वो दूसरों को भी चुप करा रहे हैं, थोड़ा शांत. मतलब उनको सुनना भी कम है बिकॉज इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड है हर जगह. शी इज फीलिंग कि वो डॉक्टर के पास भी गई तो न्यूज लगी हुई थी, पहलगाम न्यूज. सो शी वाज लाइक इसी चीज की तो मेडिसिन ले रही हूँ कि ऑलरेडी न्यूज टीवी पे हर जगह, कैन यू स्टॉप दिस. सो डॉक्टर वाज लाइक ओके, आई विल नेवर सी दिस अगेन. मतलब डॉक्टर मोम से बोल रहे हैं कि आई विल ऑल्सो नॉट डू, कि ये न्यूज क्यों देखना इतना ज्यादा. So
for
doctor also agreed. कि
thank you, thank you,
why
thank you
we
much
will.
for that insight. Renu, what I would love for you to do is when you write, don't write only what others have spoken. I would love for you to then put a circle around what you have written and put your reflections into it as well. All right. Yes, Madhulika, let's hear it from you.
I like the thought of Coach Radiant Renu over here, and I respect 100% Renu of your thoughts, your feelings. Everyone has different love language, and that's yours.
Karishma, I want to say on this, you will see in my notes, and day one you see, I'm jotting my words into that sentences. Plus, I'm absorbing all of yours also, you people in the room.
I
You
saw
just
Yes,
go
that's
through it, huh? Just go. And
I
today is
saw
also, or
नहीं तो मैं तो
where Ravi ji has said na कि 4 categories. I have written कि उसमें मैं what I will do for 2 weeks.
very
I have
good.
already written. So
Very
I will share that also. Okay.
That is
What I was
exactly
really
going
working on myself.
wonderful.
What I was, yes.
That
But
is
be
exactly
accountability partner, please be my what I have written. Yeah,
text
you're doing that.
text me in the private group that has been formed. I will be accountable to you over there. Also, that is the only way to progress. What you're doing is phenomenal.
Karishma,
Yes.
Karishma, you can help me also by being accountable in my personal group.
Yes, of course. If you connect to me, if you talk to me there, of course, I am there for all of you. Yeah.
Let's see. You know, tiny chunks, definitely. The thing I asked today, like if we will talk and we will see how it goes. Yeah, I think
And let
just
me
tiny chunks. We don't want to.
you all have the possibility to book a clarity call for me with me at least once in once every month. हाय मधुलिका तो प्यार से भीग गई है. She's raining in love. Oh no, actually she's flooding with love. Hello, Abha.
Hello, hi. Sorry, I haven't joined before. I just joined today only.
Yeah,
I just saw the invite and yeah.
we have just wrapped up the session. We were just actually wrapping up the session, and I'm taking the takeaways of everybody. But yes, thank you for joining in. If you wish to, be there with us to experience the energy of the room, feel free to connect to me in DM and I'll share the link with you personally. Because the open links are
Okay.
not available for anybody now onwards. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
sure.
Thank you so much to each one of you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing your perspectives. Because my internet was very bad today. The electricity is going off and on, off and on. अभी भी गई हुई है. अब मैंने अपना मोबाइल डेटा के साथ लगा दिया कि नहीं अभी वापस I should not go off the screen. But thank you for being here, for supporting me, for supporting your own self on this journey. God bless you all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. In fact, have a wonderful weekend ahead. Tomorrow, if you want to join the GrowthX weekend, it happens at 1 p.m. And tomorrow we have Ravi sir, who is going to help us understand something very beautiful, that is financial finances को कैसे investment करनी है, कहाँ पे invest करनी है. In the last weekend, during the last weekend, we had done the क्या कहते हैं money energetics पे हमने healings करी थी. Now I thought that अगर money के ऊपर energetics के ऊपर हमने heal कर लिया है, तो let's understand where to invest the money, how to invest it. So I have invited Ravi for this session for tomorrow. Make sure that if you are free at 1 p.m. or if not, make yourself available because it is for you guys only. मुझको तो वो अकेले में भी दे देंगे. It is for you all that I'm bringing him on this, right? All right. Take good care of yourself. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.